Hi, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can create personalization with the help of Agentic CMS and make something that feels very complex, something very simple. I have here a website, Karma Health, and if I'm reading some of the articles that we have inside, it will automatically read the tagging and save this, in my case, in a cookie, but can also be in a session or an account. And if I go to the homepage based on the tagging, I've also set up a debug so that I know which tags were saved, and it will push a service, in my case, to the front end on the homepage based on my interest that I was reading. And how I do this, if I go to content.ai and I go to the AI agent, because a lot of the problems is that you don't have your content categorized. You don't know which tagging you want to add. You don't know how to tag the content, and you have a lot of content items, and it's a lot of manual work. You don't know where to start. Now, with the AI agent, it makes it much more easier. I've written a prompt that it will analyze all my content, and based on this content, it will generate a taxonomy group with minimum of 50 terms, and then will also automatically add this taxonomy to the content structure of the articles and services and automatically tag the content. And even if you have like hundreds of content items, this could work. You could set up the AI agent to set it up to work. You can go and drink some coffee or do something else in the meantime. Now it's finished, and now you can also see it adds links to the, for example, taxonomy group, links to the articles that it has tagged, and to also come back, hey, what did I've done basically. If I go open out the taxonomy group, it created automatically the taxonomy group. It has added it to the content template. So for example, on the article and on the service, the taxonomy group is then added. Here we can see that topics, and if we open a content item like a service or article, you see that's updated. The nice thing is also that you can see in the version history that AI updated it, so it's still part of your whole governance part, and you can still go through the normal workflow that you have to review it. And if you want to skip this because it's a lot of content, you can also push it directly to your published status. And you see now it's added, and then you can create something like this. But it also makes you easier, for example, if you go to a service or to an article to create and to show related content. So it can work for personalization, but also relation content. And of course, if you want to go for more complex personalization in a second phase, you can always use a personalization third-party platform. Content.ai is an API-first platform that can work with any personalization platform that's out there. Now, thanks for listening, and if there's any questions, you can always put a comment on this post.